So hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how you can share your application that you build in Flutter with other people using Github. So to do that, open terminal from the root folder of your project. Then you can type flutter build apk. So it will take some time to run. And eventually it will tell us that your application is ready and it is in this path. So just simply copy this path up to Flutter APK. After copying the path, you can come to the GitHub repository where you have pushed your repository. In the GitHub, on the right hand side, you can see here the section of releases. So in that, click on create a new release. After that, it is asking us to name the title of our release. So I am going to write here demo release. Then we need to choose a tag. Like we can enter a version number here, like version first, version second. Like there are multiple versions of the application, so you can name it accordingly. Then here you can write a short description about your application. So I'm going to write here, this is a demo release. You can add anything you want. Okay. After that, you need to click on this attach binaries with the down arrow option. It will ask us what do you want to release here. So here you can simply copy the path that we copied from the VS Code and make sure to copy the path after being in the root folder of the APK. Okay, you will see 4 different files here. Out of the 4 files, you need to select apprelease.apk. So select it and post it. Now you can see that the size of the APK is 22 MB. Now you can select publish release. After doing that, anyone can download your app from this portion of your GitHub repository. If you want to know how to implement login with Google functionality in your application, make sure to watch this video. And yeah, this was it from today's video. See you all in the next one.